This clip is to help you think about what kind of collar you might like to design yourself, what sorts of fabrics you might like to use, what sorts of fabric manipulation techniques you might like to include, and how you're going to adjust your patterns from the basic pattern you're given, and how you'll follow the cutting instructions so you cut out your fabric in the correct quantities. The Peter Pan, the Mandarin or Imperial, and the pointed collar all are adjusted from this original regular collar shape. All of them use this collar band pattern as well. So have a look at how the regular collar pattern is adjusted to produce the Peter Pan collar, the Mandarin collar, and the pointed collar. It's important that you understand the cutting instructions to produce your collar. So you'll see that all of the patterns say cut 2 on fold for your collar, and then cut 1 on fold for the interfacing. So in the case here of the pointed collar, cut 2 on fold. The on fold part means that you cut it out with a fold in the center here, so that when you then fold it out, it mirrors itself. So for the cut 2 on fold for the pointed collar, there's 1, there's 2, they'll cut out at the same time. And for the interfacing, you can see I've already fused the interfacing onto one side of the pointed collar piece. And always the interfacing is a little bit smaller than the fabric that you're fusing it to. For the collar band, this is the same thing for all of your collars. Doesn't matter what you're making, what shape your lapels are, always use this same pattern. So I've got cut 2 on fold and cut 1 interfacing on fold. I've already applied the interfacing, it's already fused. So 1, 2, that's my collar band sorted. Then over here to the Peter Pan collar, same thing. It's cut 2 on fold, cut 1 interfacing on fold, and you can see, so this is my Peter Pan collar here. One of them, oh, actually for this one I did not need to interface it because it's already got this fusing on it. So that did not need interfacing. But for the collar band, same pattern, just here. Cut 2 on fold, cut 1 interfacing on fold. So this one's interfaced with a darker, it's called whisper weft. That's the kind of suitable interfacing for that particular black fabric. And then for the Mandarin collar, same thing. Here is the lapel piece, the actual collar piece. Same instructions, cut 2 on fold. So 1, 2, this one's got the interfacing, which has also been, it's a cut 1 on fold. I've already fused it on. And then using the same collar band pattern, there we go. Same thing. And one side is already fused. So hopefully that helps explain the cutting instructions.